A2C Electronic Control Error 03 Troubleshooting. The Error 03 system and the voltage can be repaired as follows.
Step 1. Turn on the power and use AC voltage to measure whether the input voltage is stable at 220 volts. Measure whether the input voltage of J1 socket is stabilized at 220 volts. Step 2. Measure the voltage of MCU 5 boards on both sides of TVS2 with DC voltage there. Whether it is normal or not. If the MCU 5 boards voltage is not normal, replace the U10. If the MCU 5 boards voltage is normal, measure the voltage across C35. If the voltage value is below 2.75 volts or 0 volt, replace the C35 and use X microcontrollers. If voltage value is higher than 2.75 volts, replace resistors R46, R64, R71, R78,